Hi bestie, welcome to my page. I am Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, I am back with some Happy Mail, and you definitely, bestie, you have to check me out in a few more days because I have some more Happy Mail coming. So you don't want to miss on some Happy Mail. Now, if you love Happy Mail, you definitely want to see this video. Okay? Okay. Bestie, I'm just so thrilled that you decided to join me today. If you're new to my channel, I am so glad that you're here, and I hope that you feel welcome and everything. Feel free and feel welcome to comment, make any recommendations or some ideas and anything. Leave those in the comments because I am here for it. Now, if you've already been here before, I'm so glad that you decided to come back because you didn't have to. Now, I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible because I do not want to waste your time. So in this video today, the Happy Mail is from Drip by E, Rose Shadow Collection, and Planner Aesthetic. So let's go with the box first, big first, okay? Let's go see what we got in here. So this is my first order from Drip by E. And when I saw it first on Instagram, I believe. And then I did see it on YouTube here. And when I saw the color, I knew I absolutely wanted it and that I must have it. So I love the fact that she has this savings challenge. So I definitely will be adding this to my binder. So, I got a lollipop too. Thank you. And it looks like a blow pop. And I absolutely love blow pops. But this blow pop got money on it. So, if you've been here for a while and you've been watching my channel, I'm sure you already know why did I get this pen holder. Why? Why did I get it? It's the blue. It's the blue, baby. Blue is my favorite color, okay? So I said, when I saw this pen holder, I absolutely wanted it. Now, I didn't get it without the bling, and I'm just so glad that she even allowed me to purchase it without the bling because she's the bling queen. So I am just so thrilled that I was able to get this pen holder, and I will be putting all of my blue pens in this pen holder. So I'm about to add a few of my favorite pens. My number one favorite pen brand is Kaweco. Kaweco is my brand. Kaweco Rollerball, Kaweco Fountain Pens, Kaweco Ballpoint, Kaweco Pencil. Yeah, if it's Kaweco, I absolutely love it. Now, I'm only adding a few into this pen holder right here because they're so short. But one of my next favorite pens is definitely from Shop Villa Beautiful. I absolutely love Tiffany pens. Okay, so I'm adding it here, and I absolutely love this pen holder. But anyway, if you're interested in pen holder, make sure you check out Drip by E. Now, you can get yours blinged out if you desire. I didn't need to bling because my pens are already blinging. So, I absolutely love this, and I'm absolutely glad that I got to add this addition to my desk. Now, since I got this pen holder in the blue and putting on my blue pens in this particular one, it really makes me want to order another pen holder and maybe coordinate the color coding with my pen holders and my different pens that I have. Decisions. I have to look at the other color pens that I have to see what other pen holder can I get that will work. So look at my pens with my new pen holder. This is absolutely beautiful. Yes, you heard me right. I said beautiful, not beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Anyway, I absolutely love my pen case with my blue pens. Okay? And I love it. So next up is Happy Mail from Rose Shadow Collection. I did get a sticker book from her, and I have a bookmark. So this is the bookmark that I received. I think this was a freebie with the sticker book. I can't remember, but this is the bookmark, and all the bookmarks that you see that's brass or gold that's in my different videos of my unboxing and my Happy Mail and stuff. All those bookmarks are from Rose Shadow Collection, and I think they run for like $6.95, so they are reasonable. And I absolutely love her bookmarks and everything. So if you're interested in the bookmarks or whatever, make sure you check out Rose Shadow Collection. I'm not sure what she has in stock at the moment, but if you've seen something in my video, maybe if you contact her or email her, if it's not available on the website, she might end up bringing it back based on demand. So make sure you reach out to her. And I'll make sure to leave all shops' websites in my descriptions today, so just you can support. They're all small businesses, they're all women owned, so please support those businesses and help them achieve their goals and objectives. Okay, I've rambled enough. Let's do a quick flip through of this sticker book. Wow, so I am already in awe of these stickers. I mean, you know, the first thing that caught my eye is the blue. And then the gold foiling. The foiling is absolutely beautiful, as always. Look at this blue. It's just absolutely pretty. I absolutely love this color scheme. And it's just changed my Plan With Me colors. Because I had already had the sticker books that I was going to utilize for the Plan With Me for this upcoming week. But baby, change of plans. I'll be utilizing the sticker books. I absolutely love this. Lena, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So the last Happy Mail that I received is from Planner Aesthetic, one of my favorite small businesses as well. I received her monthly subscription. It's very affordable, less than $7. And you receive monthly decor to make your monthly planner pop. So that it's having some plain planners, you can add some decor, and with the monthly decor, it has different holidays on there. Of course, you have your holiday stickers, a few icon stickers, and a calendar as you see right here. So just something to add a little touch to your planner. And it's very frugal and it's affordable. And I would definitely leave her links along with the other shops in my descriptions. So during the recent sale, when I saw this banner that says keep the same energy, I was like, okay, yes, I must have that. And I'm going to make a dashboard out of this banner right here. I absolutely love that. And so when you place your order with Planner Aesthetic, you get to choose a free sample. And my free sample this time was the budget sample right here. I didn't even know she had a budget sticker, but I decided to get that since I never had it before. Now let's see what I ordered, everything else that I ordered. Of course, I got Hobonichi kits. I utilized the Hobonichi stickers for my monthly layout planner in my CP Petite. And I got these little icons. I thought they would be perfect. I ran out some music stickers, so I definitely wanted to get more of those. So several of these are actually new Hobonichi kits that I had never ordered before. So I'm so glad I got them, and I got them at a discounted price during the sale. And I can't wait to add them to my monthly layout in my planner. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss another upload. Toodles!